Alright, it's currently Thursday. We're going to do a quick video. A couple three stocks that I'm looking at. But before we do get into it, I want to go over a recap on yesterday's stocks. Let's see how they ended today. So if you do enjoy this type of technical analysis video, hit the like, hit the sub, and drop a comment down below on what stock you want me to talk about, and it might be featured on the next video. Okay, so real quick, we're going to do a recap and what happened, starting with Lemonade. Lemonade, we closed above the support, which I like. Nice engulfing candle here, pretty bullish. Closed higher than the low of yesterday. Or, yeah, pretty much the low of yesterday. And I like this. We're getting very close to that resistance where we're going to be testing it. And like I said, a movement contained in here is going to be very powerful. And most likely we could get it before earnings. And if that happens, I would sell around $70 and then wait till earnings, see the numbers before entering along. But the opportunity of growth here, we're talking about almost 50%. This could be a really, really nice play back into that previous high of 115. Okay, now let's go to the next one, which is going to be Plug. And I was looking to short this one, but I didn't. And why didn't I short it? And it's because the confirmation didn't come in. I was looking for a candle to close below both moving averages over here and this support line over here. But we didn't. We finally got the break over. This is the 5th time it tested it. It finally popped. And, I would have taken profits here and just left it. If you're holding, good luck to you. But that's it for Plug. Now, the one move I did play was Facebook. And the event went really well. As you guys can see, we went all the way up to 325. But then we started selling downwards last minute. And I don't know what really happened, what caused that. But I did take profits around this level here. And I really like Facebook. And I think it's going to continue its way to rally higher. Okay, next one is going to be, let's see right here, Starbucks. And yeah, let's skip over that one. Let's look at Nile. And Nile continues to run inside of its channel. And as you guys can see, we tested the previous bottom of the channel, shot upwards, and now most likely we're going to continue to rally throughout this channel over here. So good for Nile. Okay, anything else we got to hit? I think that is it. Okay, now to the main stocks, we're going to take a look. The first one is going to be PayPal. Looking at the daily chart, we're seeing a possible double bottom. And what I'm liking over here is the candle. We have a hammer on a downtrend. So normally we look at candles because they tell a lot in terms of story. And a hammer candle at the bottom of a downtrend signifies signs of reversal. Looking at the RSI, we're trading on the very oversold side. And this is just looking for a quick bounce to happen. Now, a lot of this volume came from the news with Pinterest. A lot of people weren't too happy with it, which could be the reason why this is trending downwards. To be honest, I do think we're going to see a reversal coming in very shortly. And if that deal falls through, it's going to even go higher, right? So we're looking off a technical play. What am I expecting? Let's draw the downtrend real quick. And like I said, we're getting very close to that breakout point. This is our support line over here. And basically either tomorrow or the week after this week, we're going to see that pop, right? And we'll see the pop if we break above this resistance, obviously. This could still go lower if the support line doesn't hold tomorrow. But if we do get that break upwards, I'm expecting us to test the 50 MA, which is around $250. So I think the stock is going to go to 250, 253. And then depending on earnings, it could continue to rally upwards. Looking at the 4-hour chart, it could close above this level over here and possibly rally and retest the SMA line and then the previous high where it got shorted. And then we could have a nice movement in price. But this is a very good long in my opinion. Take a look at PayPal. Very good company. Now we're going to look at Tattoo Chef, which is going to be a quick day trade or even a swing as it goes into earnings. I'm going to look at this at the week chart. And the reason why is because sometimes you have to look through different ranges to get a good picture of where the stock is heading. Okay. That being said, there's a lot of indecision in the stock right now. As you guys can see, it doesn't know if it wants to go down or higher. And, we're getting very close to a breakout point, right? We're starting to coil. The movements are getting less swingy. And right here, we almost saw a very great breakout in the makings. But this was a lot of momentum. Not many news, so a lot of day traders really caused this and got out. Stock came down, retested that previous support line, and now we're looking to close above this support for this week. And I think we're going to continue to retest the resistance. And then if the news is good on earnings, this stock is going to have a fantastic boom, because, you know, as it starts to coil like this, the price action gets very violent when it does make a decision on whether it goes up or down. So keep an eye out for TTCF. The last one is going to be Netflix, and I'm looking to possibly short this one because it's just unbelievable how it's been moving. They need a new hit series at this point, because I think it's going to exhaust itself, this trend over here. And right now we're trading at the upper channel, and we could be seeing some resistance soon, right? We rejected it over here, came back down, and then we're seeing some rejection over here happening. But I wouldn't short yet, but I want to see a nice pullback back to the 50 MA, possibly even the 20 MA over here in the lower trend. And I just want to see consolidation. You know, this move is really because of Squid Games, in my opinion. And then there's also the games that Netflix has added onto they're going to be adding on. But I just want to see consolidation before we go even higher. This is a very scary play at this point. So looking at the RSI, it's also overbought. So do you want to long it right now? I don't know. I would be taking profits right now and just waiting. Let it consolidate. Let it come down a little bit. See what happens with the stock price. But I think if the market were to just drop, this thing is going to hit very hard. That being said, if you guys made it this far, hit the like, hit the sub, and I'm out.